Hello guys, so into today's episode we are going to diagnose a damaged air intake hose. So first let's start with the symptoms. One of them will be engine performance issues such as reduced power or acceleration, rough idling or stalling, even fuel efficiency, and sometimes the check engine light is turned on. So in order to find the fault you can squeeze the hose and you need to look for damage and tear. As you can see in my example, there is none. Additionally, intake noises may be heard during acceleration as air rushes in between the tracks on a broken intake noise. So you need to pay attention to hiss or whistle type of noise and from where that noise is coming, because that will be very helpful for you to find the fault. In my case, as you can see, there is some dirt that looks like oil leaks just before the air resonator. That's because in the air intake system you have oil vapors coming from the PCV valve. So now that we have found the fault, you can start to replace the damaged hose. Okie dokie, so now that the air resonator is off, we can have a visual inspection on it. And as you can see, there is some dirt that looks like oil leaks, and that's normal because the PCV valve is releasing oil vapors into the air intake system, and that's a clear indication of a loose or bad hose, so we can start to replace it. And in order to replace the old hoses, I'm going to cut some sections from this red silicone hose, and that will be it. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have used this opportunity to replace all the old hoses before the air resonator and the one right after it, and we can start to put it back on the vehicle. In order to do that, you need to follow the reverse steps of the disassembly. Okie dokie, so this is how it looks like with all the parts back in. In my opinion, it is kind of cool with these red hoses. And now I think we can conclude that we managed to fix our air leak caused by a damaged or loose hose. And if you find it helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe. And see you on the next video.